You know what time it is. What's up, guys? Your man, Fry Clyde, back in the building, another bang for y'all today. Let's get into it.
I could fly.
Today we're taking a closer look at what may be the biggest sneaker
Back
release
with
of all.
another banger today, guys, on the Jordan 11 Concord.
Back in the building with another bang for y'all today. Yeah, dude. You got something light. Something light for y'all today. You got a special treat for y'all. We got the Air Jordan. Where that? Air Jordan 11 Retro Concords. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure you've seen a million unboxings, but this unboxing will be a little different. It's gonna be something light. You feel me? Alright. Dr. Yana, bust down. Ooh, that shit crispy. No cap. You know what I'm saying? Oh. Purple jump, man. Oh. 45 on the back. Got the icy blue soles on deck. Purple hints popping out like we finna pop out. Alright, man. To be honest with you, I don't got shit else to say. So, I'm gonna catch you later. Peace.